Most people think, if I plug my phone into a PC, it should charge faster, because the PC is big and powerful. But the result? Still slow charging. So what's really going on, and how can we fix it? Basic phone chargers, around 7.5 watts or less, use a simple trick. They use the data pins to tell the phone what kind of charger it is. Either short them or set specific voltages using resistors. So when you plug in your phone, it understands this is a charger and it allows higher current. But fast chargers are different. They use a control chip. First, the phone and charger communicate. Then, the charger increases voltage or current. That's how systems like quick charge or USB power delivery work. Now here's the real problem. A normal USB PC port does not identify as a charger, so your phone plays safe and limits the current. That's why charging is slow. So, here's a simple fix. I made a small adapter using a USB port. To measure current, I connected the 5-volt line through a multimeter in series. If you're not measuring, just connect both power wires directly, like this. Now let's test. Make sure the battery is low. Otherwise, your phone will reduce current automatically, and the test results won't show any clear difference. First test, normal USB 2 port, around 470 milliamps, already near the limit. Now USB 3, still low current. Now I short the data lines and test again. Boom! Current increases, up to the USB 3 limit. Now the phone recognizes it as a charger. And don't worry, this is safe. The motherboard will not give more than its limit, even if the phone tries to draw more. Some motherboards already support fast charging. For example, my Asus B450 motherboard supports quick charge, so no any DIY needed. But if you want real fast charging, above 7.5 watts, this method is not enough. You need a fast charge module. These modules handle communication between the phone and the power source. That's how you get higher power safely. Subscribe for more practical electronics videos. Like the video and tell me, did you know this trick? See you next time.